Hello and welcome to my channel Tech and Tips with King. In this video, I am going to show how you can run Windows 8 in your Android using Limbo PC Emulator. So without any wasting of time, let's get into the video. In this video, I am going to show how you can run Windows 8 in your Android using Limbo PC Emulator application. There are a lot of videos on my channel that I have shown how you can run Windows or Windows XP, Windows 98, Windows 95, Windows 2000, Windows 7, Windows 10, and this is the another video with Windows 8. So, and there are a lot of upcoming videos on my channel that I'm going to show how you can run Windows 8.1 and the another version of Windows 7, the another version of Windows 10, Windows 10 with internet working, Windows 10 with internal storage accessible. So there are a lot of versions of Windows on my upcoming videos, so make sure to subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to download the Limbo PC Emulator application. The download link in the description. And the second thing, you have to download the Windows ISO file. It will be approx 476 MB. The download link in the description. Now you have to open the Limbo PC Emulator. Now you have to click to none. You have to create the machine. I've already created machine, so let me just show you all the settings of the Windows 8 Limbo. I've created the machine name with the name of Windows 8. User interface, you have to select SDL. Make sure it will be the full screen. And CPU, I always select CPU model Core Duo, so I have selected Core Duo. And core I am selecting for. RAM 800 MB is good working with my Android phone and Windows also. In CD-ROM, you have to select the Windows. As you can see, I have selected Windows 8 file. I have selected in the CD-ROM. Now scroll down, you have to VGA display will be on the SDL, and boot from you have to select the CD-ROM and high priority. So you have to done all the setting in the Limbo PC Emulator. So I've done all the settings. Now you have to just click to play button. So as you can see, this is the Windows 8.1. It will automatically going to boot. So the Windows 8 is booting here, and it will saying boot or will boot NDR from drive C. So here it will going to take very long time. So let's see how much time it takes, and I'm going to fast forward this video. So as you can see in the screen, it will saying loading files. Here it will going to take some time. After saying loading files, the Windows 8 logo appear on the screen, and again it will goes into the loading screen. But before, I'm going to just turn on the screen rotation and turn my Android phone for the better view and better understanding. So as you can see, this is the Limbo and this is the Windows loading over here. So as you can see in the screen, just now I have turned on the screen rotation and turned my Android phone, and it will going to take very long time. So I'm going to fast forward this video and come back after the fully Windows 8 loaded in Android. So as you can see in the screen, the finally Windows 8 has been successfully booted in my Android phone. As you can see, this is the Limbo PC emulator. Let me just show you. So as you can see, this is the Limbo PC emulator, and this is the Windows 8. It's been taken very long time to boot, approx 30 minutes, approx 25 to 30 minutes. It will also depend on your smartphone specifications. It maybe can take less time or more time in your Android phone. So I don't recommend you to use this Windows. You can use this if it will work fast in your Android. I'm only making this video for formalities, so I'm making every single video on Windows. So I'm showing every single Windows. I have till now I have shown Windows 95, Windows 2000, Windows XP, Windows 7. So as you can see, this is the Windows 8 fully booted over here, and there are some preloaded softwares, but it will going to take very long time to open any software, and this Windows is already taken very long time to boot. So I already told you the volume button used for more option, volume down. So as you can see in the screen, just now I have pressed the volume down button, and this is the more option of the Windows, and just now I've clicked the refresh. So as you can see, there are a lot of preloaded software in this Windows 8, but it will take a very long time. So in my upcoming video, I try to show how you can run Windows 8.1 and the many other Windows versions. And there are a separate video coming on Windows 11. I'm going to show how you can run Windows 11 in your Android. And now I'm also going to show how you can access internet in Windows with the Limbo PC emulator, and how you can access the internal storage of your Android. So as you can see, this is the Windows 8 fully working in Android. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video. If you have any question or problem, let me know in the comments. Thank you.